friends, today we will continue grammar with chapter 15. We have completed some explanation in the previous video. Now today we will see some more explanation with exercises. So I request you all, please open your textbook of grammar. Comparison of some adjectives. Now here we have some words, some adjectives. So when we are using in a sentence, that we will see. Number 1, some, any. Some is used in affirmative sentences. Here we have example, he gave me some milk. So some we are using for affirmative sentences. Any is used to in negative sentences. For an example, I have not given him any information. So some we are using for affirmative, any we are using for negative. Number 2, each, every. Each is used for two or more persons or things. It is used when the number is limited. Each we are using for persons and or things, two or more persons for or things, and when we are having limited numbers, for that we can use each. For an example, each child is honest. Every is used for more than two persons or things. It is used when the number is indefinite. So every we are using for more than two persons or things, and especially when it is the indefinite, number is indefinite. Here we have example, every soldier fought for his country. Number 3, much, many. Much is used for to show quantity. For an example, I have much work to do. And many is used to show number. For an example, he owns many shops. So much we are showing quantity and many we are showing number. Number 4, elder, older. Elder is used for members of the same family. It is not followed by then followed by then. For we are using it for our own family, means for same family. For an example, I am Sita's elder sister. Older is used for person and things. Older we are using for persons and things, and it is always followed by then, than. So here we have example, this car is older than that. Next one, Satish is older than you. So I hope you have understood this. Now we will discuss exercises. So please see on the next page. We are having here exercise 1. Complete the following sentences supplying the proper form of the adjectives in the bracket. Here we have a bracket words. We have to form it in a proper way. Number 1, Suresh is better than his brother in studies. 2, Mr. Tata is the richest man in India. 3, Kolkata is one of the biggest cities in India. 4, June is the hottest month of the year. 5, I have a bad cold. 6, he is one of the best singers. 7, Shakespeare was the greatest of all playwrights. 8, Mr. Ramesh is wealthier than Mr. Gupta. 9, health is more important than wealth. 10, your handwriting is better than mine. Number 11, he thinks he is wiser than his father. 12, Amit is the laziest boy in the class. 13, of the two teams, the better one will win. 14, prevention is better than cure. 15, who is the older of the two? 16, that is the least price I can accept. 17, a wise enemy is better than a foolish friend. 18, it's colder today, isn't it? 19, there was not a slightest excuse for it. 20, his eldest son is in the army. Exercise 2. Make sentences using the comparative forms of the following adjectives. We are having here some words, some adjectives. So we have to use it and make sentences. Number 1. Bright. Today is brighter than yesterday. 2. Long. Her hair is longer than mine. 3. Dirty. She is dirtier than Ramesh. 4. Faithful. Nikki is far more faithful compared to Ricky. 5. This town is farther away from Delhi than Agra. 6. Little. There is lesser milk today. 7. Ugly. Rita is much uglier than Nita. Number 8. Old. My father is older than my mother. 9. Rich. He is a richer businessman than Dinesh. 10. Pure. This water is more pure for drinking. So children, write this both exercise and 1 and 2 and learn and write this both exercise in the textbook with pencil. After completing this chapter, I will let you know which exercises you have to copy in the CW. So today you have to write this both exercises in the textbook with pencil and learn it well. Thank you.